News 6 ka Supreme Court jangkari India kala bathai ka Central Bureau of Investigation bakan to kita halor ka jing kena bakadan ka jing le silang khamat bat yarap ker pangi contract tray kampat ba ki be dei perlok ba umen sirang ba ka Arunachal Pradesh upe makandu kani ka jing toket kan kuntup ya ka contract na dus nam arja khansan hadus nam arja arpusan.
Justice Vikram Nath and Justice Sandeep Mehta have given a very important and historic judgment ordering a preliminary investigation by the CBI into the contracts given by the Arunachal Pradesh government to firms run and controlled by the Chief Minister there, Pema Khandu, and his family. It's a very wide-ranging investigation or preliminary inquiry that has been ordered. They have said that they will go into why these contracts were given, what was the justification, why sometimes tenders were not called for, why the tenders were only filled by the companies of the Chief Minister, etc. And that the Arunachal government will have to provide every material, workbook, documents, financial records, etc. to the CBI for their preliminary inquiry. The CBI will submit their report to the Supreme Court within 16 weeks, and thereafter the court will give further directions.